Hi students, today we are discussing tree topology in network topologies. What is tree topology? Tree topology is a hierarchy of various hubs and all the nodes are connected to one hub or another. Tree topology is a hierarchy of various hubs and all the nodes are connected to one hub or another. And there is a central hub to which only a few nodes are connected directly. There is a central hub to which only a few nodes are connected directly. The central hub also called active hub and it looks at the incoming bits and regenerates them. They can traverse longer distances also. The central hub is also known as active hub. It looks at the incoming bits and regenerates them. They can traverse longer distances also. The secondary hub in tree topology is a active hub or passive hub. That means in tree topology, secondary hub also called active hub or passive hub. The failure of a transmission line separates a node from the network. The failure of a transmission line separates a node from the network. That means if transmission line failures, it separates a node from the network. Now, this is the diagrammatic representation of tree topology and we are attaching nodes node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, node 5, node 6, node 7 and node 2 and node 3 are attached to the node 1 and node 4, node 5 are attached to the node 2 and node 6 and node 7 are attached to the node 3 and node 1 also called as active hub or active hub is also known as central hub and this is the active hub or passive hub and tree topology is also known as star bus topology. Tree topology is also known as star bus topology. It incorporates the characteristics of both bus and star topology. It incorporates the characteristics of both bus and star topology. In tree topology, star networks are connected using bus. Diagrammatic representation of tree topology. This is the star network and this is the main cable connecting to the bus and this is the another star network. This is the central hub and this is the central hub. The central hubs of two star networks are connected using the bus topology or this is the communication line. It is also called expanded star topology. And this is the tree topology diagram. This is the connection between bus and central hubs of star networks. These are the two star networks. Now, advantages of tree topology. First advantage is expansion of network is easy, and network is divided into segments which can be managed and maintained easily. If we want to manage and maintain easily, network is divided into segments, and error detection and correction is easy. Each segment has dedicated point-to-point writing. Each segment has dedicated point-to-point writing. Now, disadvantages of tree topology. Whole network shuts down if main bus cable breaks. That means this is the main bus cable. If it breaks or affects, total system will shut down or failed. Next, maintenance is difficult if more nodes and segments are added. Nodes means systems or computers. If we add more nodes, then maintenance is difficult. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel, click bell icon, like and share.